Did you know that 73% of rejected claims are denied for one reason most people never even consider? It's not fraud, it's not missing documents, it's timing. Insurance companies have a secret window, and if you file even one day outside of it, your claim is gone. No appeal, no second chance. Here's what the adjusters don't tell you. Step 1. Document everything before you call them. Photos, timestamps, witness names. Because once you make that first call, the clock starts. Step 2. Never use the word accident. Say incident. That one word can disqualify you from entire coverage categories. Step 3. Submit via certified mail and the online portal. Why? Because companies have been caught on record losing single submission claims. Step 4. Reference your policy number and coverage section in your opening paragraph. Adjusters process hundreds of claims. Make yours impossible to misfile. The people who get paid fast, they don't get lucky. They just know the rules the companies hope you never learned. Now you do.